Sean, I study Digital Media Design, BA Honours.
DMD 19 is about, well, it's an end of year show for us.
Our chance to show our work to creatives and people in the design industry.
So my favourite piece of work is probably my final major project, which is the Aware skateboard brand, based around sustainability, eco-friendly practices.
My favourite piece is probably my Japanese brush calligraphy for my final major project. It's applied to t-shirts, tote bags, stickers and some other variables, and I really just find it interesting and fun to do.
To get onto the course, I think you need a basic knowledge of software such as the Adobe suite and ability to organise yourself and your work and the ability to work in a team.
I think you need to be motivated for this course. There's a lot of work, but it's really rewarding when you get the final piece done. So yeah, motivation and just be inspired the whole time by everything around you.
On the course I learned how to learn, so I was able to learn what elements I need to take away from things to become a better designer and become a well-rounded designer.
Over my 3 years in the course, I have definitely learned a lot more than I previously knew about graphical design software, the Adobe suite particularly. But I have furthermore learned how to be a better communicator. I have learned how to run a better campaign and in general also how to be a better designer.
You can find more of my work on my website, which is alexfarkerdesign.com, and my Instagram is the same, it's just alexfarkerdesign.
bradlanedesign.com and or bradlanephoto.com.
Hattie OC Designs, or on my portfolio website, Harriet OC Portfolio.
I'm at Laura Tempesta Design, or you can see my portfolio at lauratempesta.myportfolio.com.
At rhansel design.
To designbysean.com or at designbysean.
At Taylor Osborne Design on Instagram and taylorosbornedesign.co.uk.